Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Optima key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob. This button allows you to access the internal components for battery replacement. It's a straightforward process. Now, press the release button and carefully pull out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot where you'll insert your flathead screwdriver. Gently insert the tip of the screwdriver into this slot. With a slight twisting motion, carefully pry open the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. It should separate with minimal effort. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Carefully remove the old battery, being mindful not to touch any other internal circuits. Now, insert the new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a click, confirming it's locked. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.